Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Did you know one of the most common reasons engines fail is because of a neglected cooling system? Your radiator, hoses, thermostat, and coolant all work together to keep your engine at the perfect temperature. But if you ignore them, you could end up with a blown head gasket or even a seized engine. The good news: with just a few simple steps, you can make your cooling system last practically forever. So let's get right into it. Step 1. Check coolant level. The first thing you should do is check your coolant level. When the engine is completely cold, pop the hood and look at the coolant reservoir. The level should be between the min and max marks. If it's low, top it off with the right coolant for your vehicle, and make sure not to mix different types. Using the wrong coolant can cause sludge buildup that clogs your radiator and heater core. And remember, never open the radiator cap while the engine is hot. It's pressurized and can spray boiling coolant. Step 2. Flush the system. Next, you need to flush the cooling system on schedule. Coolant loses its anti-corrosion properties over time and turns acidic, which eats away at metal parts and gaskets. Flushing the system every 2 to 4 years removes contaminants and keeps your engine protected. If the fluid looks brown, rusty, or has debris floating in it, it's overdue. Replace it with fresh coolant mixed 50-50 with distilled water, not tap water. Tap water has minerals that cause corrosion and buildup. Step 3. Inspect hoses and radiator. Now inspect your hoses and radiator. Squeeze the hoses. They should feel firm, not squishy or brittle. Check around hose clamps and the radiator for any white residue or dried coolant. That is a sign of leaks. Replacing an old $15 hose can prevent a $1,000 head gasket repair. Also, make sure the radiator fins are clean. Use a garden hose with gentle pressure to rinse away dirt and bugs that block airflow. Better airflow means better cooling. Step 4. Test thermostat and radiator cap. Your thermostat and radiator cap might be small, but they play a big role. The thermostat controls when coolant flows. If it sticks closed, the engine overheats, and if it sticks open, it runs too cold. You can test it in hot water. It should open at the temperature stamped on it. The radiator cap keeps the system under pressure, which raises the coolant's boiling point. A weak cap can let coolant boil too early and cause overheating. If yours is old or worn out, replace it. They're cheap and worth it. Step 5. Check the water pump. Next, take a look at your water pump. It's the heart of the cooling system, circulating coolant through the engine. If you hear squealing, grinding, or see coolant leaking from the pump's weep hole, it's on its way out. If your car has a timing belt, it is smart to replace the water pump whenever you change the belt, since they often run together. That way, you save on labor and avoid future breakdowns. Step 6. Bonus tip. Here's a bonus tip. Keep an eye on your temperature gauge. If it starts creeping higher than normal or fluctuates, that's your early warning sign something's wrong. Maybe a low coolant level, air in the system, or a failing component. Never ignore temperature changes. Small problems can become big ones fast. So here's the quick checklist to make your cooling system last forever. Check coolant level and top off when needed. Flush system every few years. Inspect hoses and radiator for leaks. Test thermostat and cap. Replace the water pump when doing belts. Always use distilled water. Follow these simple steps and your cooling system can easily last the life of your car, keeping your engine cool and your wallet full. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY car tips, and drop a comment below if you've ever had an overheating issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.